Eco-friendly food. Why did the author include a list of disposable items? So that list on the first page that we read, why was the list included? A, to show readers how the items are harmful. Did they mention anything about how those items are harmful? B, so readers can check to see if their own lunch is wasteful. Are we looking for the waste with those lists of disposable items? C, to explain how readers can pack a more nutritious lunch. D, so readers can see which lunch foods are the most important. Question number 2. Why did the author most likely suggest using yogurt from a large container? So that was in that second box. Yogurt from a large container. A, yogurt in large containers stay fresh for a long time. Are we talking about freshness in this story? B, a large container will leave room for adding chopped fruit. Are we trying to add chopped fruit with our eco-friendly food? C, yogurt in large containers is the most healthful kind of yogurt. Or D, one large container creates less waste than many small containers. Question number 3. The passage says that some bottles leak a chemical called phthalate, I could be saying that word wrong, into the water they hold. So remember we talked about those plastic bottles and how we should steer clear of them. What point does this detail support? A, tap water is often safer than bottled water. B, it is okay to buy bottled water once in a while. C, it takes a lot of energy to ship and cool bottled water. D, bottled water usually costs much more than tap water does. So what are they trying to say by saying that there is a chemical in bottled water? 4, according to the passage, what is the first step? The first step in planting a cylinder garden. Go back to where we talked about the different steps. Look for cylinder garden. A, buying the seeds. B, deciding where to place it. C, cutting the bucket into 2 pieces. D, drilling holes into the bottom of the bucket. We're looking for the first step. The first step. Question number 5. The passage explains that the principle behind food miles is that when your food is grown further away, it is more harmful to earth. What does principle mean? So the principle behind food miles. Use the plug it in strategy. Secret. A, secret. B, interest. C, main idea. And D, big question. All right, so are we going to say the passage explains that the secret behind food miles is that when your food is grown further away, it is more harmful to earth? B, the passage explains that the interest behind food miles is that when your food is grown further away, it is more harmful to earth? C, main idea. The passage explains that the main idea behind food miles is that when your food is grown further away, it is more harmful to earth. Or D, big question. The passage explains that the big question behind food miles is that when your food is grown further away, it is more harmful to earth. So what does principle used in this sentence, what does it mean? Okay, you may also use a dictionary or dictionary.com.